welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking about feminine hygiene, the importance of keeping your coochie clean and smelling nice. It is really important so you don't feel like, oh my god, I smell. So you don't feel like the feeling. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first thing I would like to talk about, I listed some of the things: the soap to use, a towel. When watching my coaching, I just use my Dove soap. The reason being, Dove soap is not really sensitive to the skin, and it's really not sensitive down there. It doesn't leave any itchiness and like feeling discomfort. You get me? I just feel so normal after using my Dove soap. So another thing I should talk about towel. Guys, it's really important to use towel, not toilet paper. I know sometimes it can be really disgusting to just use a towel, but it's so healthy. You can just use a towel and just put it in your bag when you go to the toilet. Use it and put it in your bag. I know it's disgusting, but it's so healthy than to use a toilet paper. Toilet paper can cause even infections and can leave your chai like really feeling sensitive, So another thing that you must do, please, you must wear your panty liners, guys. Wear your panty liners so you don't feel because our body, our coochie, go through the most as females, as you know. As females, our coochie go through the most. So the really important thing is to wear your panty liners. So another thing, guys, when you're experiencing some type of thing that is just not normal, really not normal, like having a discharge or something like that, white discharge or something like that, you might be having an infection. So the wisest thing you should do before it gets worse, you must go to the doctor, get help fast, immediately, because some things are not healthy down there. Some things, if you've been playing nasty, so that is what you should do. Just go to the doctor if you're feeling like a little bit of discomfort, discharge down there. Go to the doctor or just to the clinic or just go to the pharmacy, something like that. If you know some medication that will help you get it done fast so that it cannot be worse. Just the first day you feel it, just do something about it. You can even try to drink a lot of water. Sometimes it might not help. Eat plain yogurts. Sometimes plain yogurts really help because it helps to clean the coochie down there. So you get me. You get what I'm saying? Yes. So another thing that you should try, I already talk about infections and stuff like that. Really, like having an infection is not really nice. So it's really healthy and so important to go to the doctor and visit the doctor very fast so that you don't get, what you don't really want. The long-term struggle, So yeah, better get to the doctor pretty much fast so you don't lose it all just for one night. So guys, another thing, guys, you should never try to use. Don't ever use Dettol. Don't ever use Dettol soap. Don't ever use a liquid Dettol to wash your coochie, because you might end up killing the very useful bacteria that needs to fight infection down there. So please never ever use Dettol soap again, because it might be the problem. Yes, you are feeling itchy. It might be the problem that your vajayjay is not really fighting that much of infection of the body. So we know that as ladies, our body, our VJJ just cleans itself sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't. So that's why it's really important to have a doctor as your friend. So, but to be honest, guys, to be like specifically honest, always like use a protection. Always protect yourself so that you don't cry. Don't cry for just one pleasure and your life is ruined just like that. Don't say I didn't warn you. So guys, another thing that you must stop. Just stop doing, just stop saying you are being witched, you are bewitched. Don't ever say that. Sometimes it might be your man that is busy bewitching you, sleeping around with other girls, getting all this itchiness, discharge infection, stuff like that, and you come up and saying like you are cursed or something like that. Just go to the doctor and get help immediately. Please don't say I didn't warn you. Please don't say I didn't warn you. The stuff is not sometimes with girls. The stuff is sometimes to do with your man. Just, we know, guys sometimes are not really faithful. So to be safe, it's better to be safe than sorry.